A reverse vending machine, or RVM, is where you return your eligible drink containers and get 10 cents back from each container. It's super quick
and easy with Recycle Rewards. RVMs are perfect when you're happy to get your refund as a voucher or bank transfer through the app.
To find your nearest RVM, just head to the Recycle Rewards website or download the Recycle Rewards app.
Before you start, make sure your drink containers are eligible. Look for the 10-cent mark near the barcode. Or you can use the container checker on our website or the app. To start your turn, pop your first container into the machine. Your session starts automatically. The machine scans each container and counts your refund as you go. You will see your total on the screen.
When you're all done, choose how you get a refund. You'll either get your refund as a voucher, which you can redeem or swap for cash at a participating retailer, or scan the Recycle Rewards app to get your refund to your bank account or PayPal, or tap Donate on the screen to give your refund to a good cause, or nominate a donation partner using the Recycle Rewards app.
Here are a few tips to make your return easier. Make sure your drink containers are eligible,
Empty.
uncrushed and still have their labels.
Keep the lids on. They get recycled too.
Pop them in one at a time, gently. Don't throw them or reach your hand inside.
Sometimes a container might get rejected. That just means it's not eligible or the barcode couldn't be read. If that happens, it will make a beep sound. Don't worry, you can still recycle these containers in your yellow bin. You can use the RVM without the app, but the app helps you track your refunds and helps you pick how you get paid. This will make your trip quick, easy and fun.
When we all do our bit, change adds up.